the topic, and based on that, let's try to give you some demo. Okay. So do you know about the supervisor? Supervisor. Supervisor is what? We have a different type of learning. We have a supervised learning, we have unsupervised learning, we have a reinforcement learning. Yeah. So what do you mean by supervised learning? Yeah, right. Learning with guidance means what? So based on some of the supervision, person try to learn these things. No. So supervision is required in the case of supervised learning. So we have several examples. If you will see, if we have to identify, let us suppose orange or the apple, so that we can identify using just seeing the color, texture. For the human being, it is very easy to identify the things. No. But how the machine will learn to identify the things? Let us suppose we have an apple, we have an orange. So how the things, how the machine will going to learn it is apple.